Back at you again. Got the 2007 Toyota Camry. We got our motor in. Got to hook up all the accessories. Put on a new water pump. I'm gonna have to get a new thermostat. Got all these accessories on the cart. Have to put all those on as well. Alrighty. Complete. The engine's running. Let it run, break in. IE Automotive, over and out. The engine's running. Got all the accessories on. Alternator belts, motor mounts. Got to put some power steering fluid in there. Hey nephew, get that power steering fluid in the corner over there. It's down over there about, yeah. It's a big gallon. Power steering fluid. Look who's back. Yeah, put it in right here. Fill it up some more to the top because it's going to go down when you crank it. That's good.